What's up guys, Jordan here, J&RS Garage, J&RS Custom Restoration, back again with another rebuild video. This time we got a 2007 BMW 335i. It is a total loss vehicle. It is salvage titled, so in order for us to actually drive it on the streets, it needs to go through a safety inspection and a body integrity inspection. Also, it needs a bunch of new parts. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna fix it. Yeah, okay. I have a plan for doing that. I already purchased a parts car. I'll show you that in a minute. I'm getting to this a little bit though. This is a BMW 335i. That means it has a inline 3-liter 6-cylinder with twin turbos. Yes, that's right, twin turbos. So it should be pretty quick. It's rear-wheel drive, so it should be able to do a burnout. So that's basically what I'm mostly excited about. It's light, nice little 4-door car. Check it out. Another 2007 BMW 335i. It is also a total loss vehicle, just not in the same spot. Needs doors, fender, some wheel issues down there, control arm type stuff or whatever. But this is going to be a parts car. This is going to keep our costs down when it comes to buying all the parts that we need for the other one. And then whatever's left, we can sell the rest of the parts or sell the Hulk vehicle and basically make back everything that we paid for the vehicle, therefore giving us all the parts that we needed for basically free. It's a pretty good situation if you can find two of the same vehicle that are wrecked in different areas and they can share all the parts and take two, make it into one, sell what's left. It's a win-win situation, and that's exactly what we're gonna do. Okay, so I'm ready to get to work on the Beamer here. First things first, we're just gonna take off the parts that are damaged. The bumper, the headlight, we're gonna assess the damage to find out exactly what really is all broken in that area. I have a pretty good idea, but I don't know for sure, so let's find out. All right, let's do it. some parts here for the Beamer that I bought before I found the parts car. It's just like a radiator and bumper rebar and a little bit of stuff for the rear control arm and stuff like that. It's a new day, and the last time we were doing this, we got everything taken apart, so it's time to put the new radiator in. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. What's ALWAY?
Don't wanna complication.
There is literally parts everywhere. Look at this big ass pile of parts, man. Damn. Over here too. Up there. Jeez. Anyways. She's in. 2 screws. Done. I gotta put the intercooler back on quickly. Should be pretty easy. 2 screws. 2 pipes. 2 pipes. That's as back together as it's getting for now. Next time we'll do the headlights and all the rest of the plastic pieces and the rebar. Alright, peace.